Alright guys, so you've purchased the foam brush attachment for the captain's musket. I'm going to do a quick demonstration and show you how quick and easy it is to put together. So you've got the brush head and the telescopic pole. You've got a little rubber O-ring on the end of this male thread. The male thread goes into the end of the brush head like so. And you want to make sure you give it a quick nip up, relatively tight. Not too tight, but relatively tight, so it doesn't loosen up when you're giving it a wash. Now you've got your telescopic adjusters right here. So that extends this out. And you've got two lots of those, so you can extend out like so. Now, to attach it to the musket, grab your musket, you've already got that set up. Unscrew the garden hose and the quick connect from the front of the musket. Grab your brush and thread it onto the end of the musket like that. Like the brush head, you want to make sure that you give it a little nip up so nothing comes undone while you're giving it a wash. And that's how you set it up. All you got to do is throw the relative detergent that you are using into the bottom of the canister and use the musket as you would foam water off. And that's the foam brush, guys.